Hi, it's Brian. I wanted to connect you today about having additional food on hand. A, for convenience, or B, in case there's an emergency. One of the things that we keep extra on hand are eggs. One of the easiest things that you could do is pick up some pouches of whole egg powder. If you run out of eggs and it's easy to open, reconstitute, and you can use it in your recipe, or if you should need it in an emergency, it's a high quality source of calories. One of the things that we also do is during the summertime, we pick up an abundance of farm fresh eggs. One of the things in doing so, we make sure that the eggs are not only are they fresh, but they haven't been washed yet. If an egg isn't washed, when it first comes out, it'll maintain the bloom that naturally occurs before the egg is laid. That bloom acts as a protectant for the egg, and it'll allow you to keep farm fresh, non-washed eggs on your counter 2 to 3 weeks out of sunlight in a cool, dry place. If you put them in the refrigerator, they'll last 2 to 3 months. Additionally, what we do is we take the surplus of eggs that we have and we place them in jars with some water and some calcium hydroxide, also known as pickling lime, and that'll allow us to store these water-glassed eggs for 12 to 18 months. Finally, what we will do is we will also, in effect, make our own whole egg powder. We'll take our extra eggs, place it on trays, and we'll run it through our freeze dryer and make the powder, and then we'll put it in pouches and seal it. Hope some of those ideas, whether it's the whole egg powder, if you get farm fresh eggs, make sure they're not washed. Give it a longer shelf life. Hope some of those ideas and tips and tricks and experiences help you. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at bepreparedsolutions.co. Would love to hear from you. Please also visit our site, look into all the different products and services we have. Again, hoping some of the things that we have done helps you to be better prepared as well.